The only limitation that you ever have is your mind. You are different, you are strong, and you are capable. Believe this before anything puts you down. Most of the time, we are afraid to dream because we are afraid. We are afraid of the consequences of the failures. But the only thing that differentiates the achievers from the rest is that they did not quit. Anything big started really small. Starting now, just start and breathe. And after you've had a moment, start now. Run, work, practice, or just move. Get rejected, fall, break, tremble, but do not give up. Do it now. This time is all we have.